Welcome to our channel. If you're someone who's looking to start or grow an online business, you're in for a treat today. We specialize in bringing you the latest tools, strategies, and resources to help you create, market, and sell digital products with ease, and today's tool is one of the most impressive we've ever reviewed. In this video, we'll be talking about a powerful AI-driven platform that takes all the stress out of digital product creation, packaging, and selling. Whether you've been dreaming about launching your own ebooks, courses, or digital bundles, or you're already an experienced marketer looking to save time and boost profits, this could be exactly what you've been waiting for. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor, hit that like button to support the channel, share this video with a friend who's into online business, and subscribe so you never miss out on future reviews and tutorials. And of course, if you want to grab this tool for yourself, I've left a special link in the description that you can click anytime while watching. So what exactly Bundleify AI is? In simple terms, it's an all-in-one web-based platform that uses artificial intelligence to help you create and sell complete digital product bundles in just minutes. Instead of jumping between different tools for research, writing, design, and sales page creation, Bundleify AI brings everything together under one roof. From a single keyword or niche, it can generate professional quality ebooks, online courses, PR packages, sales pages, graphics, and even delivery pages, all ready for you to customize and sell. It's designed to work entirely online, so you can log in from anywhere without worrying about installing software or dealing with technical headaches. What really sets Bundleify AI apart is its focus on speed, quality, and usability. Whether you're a beginner who's never created a digital product before or a seasoned entrepreneur looking to scale your business, this platform makes the process incredibly smooth. You don't need to be a designer, writer, or tech expert. The AI handles the heavy lifting while still giving you full control over customization. It's essentially like having a research team, a copywriter, a graphic designer, and a web developer all working for you at the click of a button, allowing you to focus on growing your audience and making sales. Bundleify AI comes with powerful features that completely remove the usual stress and guesswork from creating profitable digital products. At the heart of it is the one keyword in, a complete product out workflow. You simply type in your niche or keyword, and the AI takes over researching, planning, writing, designing, and assembling a full product bundle for you. This means no more staring at blank pages or wondering where to start. In just one go, you get a professional ebook, a ready-to-launch course with slides and scripts, stunning graphics, mockups, a high-converting sales page, and a clean delivery page, all branded and consistent. The platform's AI niche selector ensures you're never guessing about demand. It instantly pulls proven, trending, and evergreen topics based on your keyword and even recommends the ideal format, whether an ebook, course, or complete bundle. So you start with a high-potential offer every time. The built-in ebook generator then crafts a fully written, well-structured, beautifully designed book with your name on the cover. Every element flows naturally, from the intro to the call to action, ready to sell as is or tweak in the built-in editor. On top of that, the course slide deck generator can create a complete set of slides, perfectly branded to match your bundle, with accompanying scripts so you can record your own voice or use AI audio to launch the same day. When it comes to visuals and presentation, Bundleify AI delivers agency-quality results. It creates matching 3D ebook covers, stacked bundle mockups, gig thumbnails, and social banners designed in a clean, professional style that grabs attention instantly. The sales page generator produces persuasive, benefit-focused copy with headlines, testimonials, FAQs, and perfectly placed by buttons, while the delivery page generator ensures customers have a seamless post-purchase experience. You can even make instant changes, swap images, update text, or add logos using the integrated editor, with every update syncing across your bundle automatically. Finally, exporting and selling your products is effortless. With one click, you can download your complete bundle as a neatly organized zip file or send it directly to Google Drive, ready for Etsy, Gumroad, Warrior Plus, Fiverr, or your own store. Every purchase comes with a full commercial license, so you can sell anywhere, package products as PLR, or deliver them as client services and keep 100% of the profits. Whether you're brand new or already an established seller, Bundleify AI's consistent branding, zero-tech setup, and rapid creation process make it a launch machine that can create assets in minutes and generate sales for years. So how it works is surprisingly simple. Bundleify AI takes you from a niche idea to a fully branded, income-ready product bundle in just minutes. Everything happens inside one AI-powered dashboard that handles research, writing, design, branding, packaging, and delivery for you. There's no need to juggle multiple apps, wait weeks for freelancers, or spend hours figuring out tech. The process follows 3 straightforward steps. First, you enter your niche or keyword, and the AI instantly researches the market, pulling in high-demand and evergreen topics that are ready to target. This ensures you're starting with a proven, profitable idea instead of gambling on something that might not sell. Next, you simply click to generate your complete bundle. The platform creates a professional ebook, a matching set of course slides, high-quality graphics, and mockups, a persuasive sales page, and a clean delivery page, all in your chosen niche, perfectly branded and fully editable inside the dashboard. Once you're happy with your bundle, the final step is to export and start selling. So, what will you get when you purchase this? With Bundleify AI, you're not just getting a single tool, you're getting an entire business in a box designed to help you dominate your niche from day one. Inside, you'll have access to the AI-powered niche selector, which instantly uncovers profitable, evergreen, and trending topics so you start with built-in demand. You'll also get the Bundleify ebook generator, which creates fully written, beautifully formatted ebooks complete with covers, chapters, and calls to action, ready to sell or customize in seconds. The course video slide creator produces branded, professional slide decks with scripts, enabling you to launch high-quality courses at lightning speed. On top of that, the graphics and mockup kit automatically designs matching 3D covers, bundle mockups, gig thumbnails, and social banners so your products always look like they came from a top-tier design agency. You'll also get the ready-to-use sales page builder, which delivers high-converting pages with compelling headlines, benefit-rich copy, testimonials, FAQs, and perfectly placed buy buttons. The delivery page generator ensures a smooth post-purchase experience with neatly organized downloads and easy-to-follow instructions, while the built-in editor lets you tweak any part of your bundle instantly without leaving the dashboard. And when everything is ready, the one-click bundle export feature allows you to download your complete package as a neatly organized zip file or push it directly to Google Drive, ready to sell on any platform. To make your work even more flexible, you also get the Bundleify AI Mobile Edition, letting you operate the platform from your Android, iPhone, or tablet so you can create and manage products from anywhere. To make sure you get the most out of these tools, Bundleify AI also comes with comprehensive training videos that cover every feature in detail. Whether you're brand new to digital products or already a pro, this training ensures nothing is left to guesswork. You'll be able to use every feature to its fullest and launch your offers faster than you ever thought possible. And because the platform includes a full commercial license, you can sell your creations anywhere, package them as PLR, or even deliver them to clients and keep 100% of the profits. That's not all. When you join during the special launch, you'll also receive a powerful set of bonuses designed to multiply your results. These include SkillGrow White Label, a complete LMS platform for creating and selling your own courses, Ultimate Learning Pro White Label, a premium WordPress LMS plugin for immersive student experiences, Learn and Tutor Connect White Label, a tutor marketplace system to connect students and experts, eClass Knowledge Hub White Label, a platform for sharing and monetizing expertise worldwide, and LMS Go SaaS Pro White Label, a robust course builder to manage and organize your entire e-learning business. Together with Bundleify AI, these bonuses form an unmatched toolkit for building, scaling, and dominating your digital product empire, all with a total combined value in the thousands. So, what is the pricing of all these powerful tools, features, and bonuses? When you consider everything included inside Bundleify AI, from the complete AI-driven product creation system to the professional sales and delivery assets, plus the premium launch bonuses, you're looking at a massive package that could easily cost thousands if purchased separately. In fact, the total combined value of everything you get today is $14,659. But for a limited time, you can grab lifetime access to Bundleify AI for just a one-time payment of $14.97. That's right, no recurring monthly fees, no hidden charges, just a single payment for unlimited use. And to make your decision completely risk-free, Bundleify AI comes with a 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. If you try it out and encounter a technical issue that prevents it from functioning as promised, simply let the support team know with a valid description of the problem, and you'll get a full refund, no questions asked. This way, you can explore every feature, create your first products, and see exactly how much it can do for your business without any risk on your part. And that's a wrap-up of our detailed look at Bundleify AI, the all-in-one solution that's making digital product creation, bundling, and selling easier than ever before. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or someone just starting out in the online business world, this tool gives you the power to create professional, profitable product bundles in record time. It's designed to save you hours of work while boosting your earnings potential, so you can focus on scaling your business instead of getting stuck in the technical details. You'll find the link to Bundleify AI in the description below, so be sure to check it out and grab it while the launch offer lasts. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to drop a comment to let us know your thoughts, share it with friends who could benefit, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews, tutorials, and tips on the latest tools that can help you grow your online business.